Hi friends, have you ever wanted to collect and share your favorite videos online? Interested in uploading your own work to broadcast across the web? This video is for you. I have a great theme in this video called Videotube. It is a responsive video WooCommerce WordPress theme. And sorry, it is not WooCommerce, it is WordPress theme, and this theme has been specifically made for showcasing and featuring the videos, selected videos at website. The theme is actually made in 2014. It was made in 14, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So if you want to embed or upload your own videos and let users submit their videos, this is exactly a good catch theme for you, and this is being the demo website of Videotube WordPress theme, and it is very clear and to the point, which showcase the videos at your website. In this video we are going to install the Videotube WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will also preview the theme options available in the
age of humanity has
yes,
long
you can
passed.
see. So you can upload your own videos, or you can embed your videos like from YouTube or Vimeo etc.
Destruction lay dormant for millennia.
So your video website, video channel website is going to be complete with this theme, and it is of course a very
Sentient
good catch, and
relics
it has many homepage variants as well. So you can choose any for your website as you want, and this is the another look of Videotube. And this is wonderful theme, and I found it is very useful, and the code quality is very good. So theme was developed by the PHP Face, and they are elite authors, and they are making wonderful themes since years. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default WordPress theme 2021 is installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have documentation, extra plugins, some plugins has been given, and the licensing, the logo, PSD file has also been given, the XML export file is here just in case we need to manual import of demo content, and the main theme file and the child theme file. To install Videotube at our WordPress installation, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose videotube.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same, it will save some time, and the theme file size is 9.19 MB. It is a lightweight theme, and it will definitely work fast on your website as well. And don't get confused, both activities of uploading theme is same. Either you can upload from the WordPress interface, or either you can upload directly on your server. So I chosen the second one, as I need to show the theme file size and all these things, and this way the theme uploads never gets fail, and it goes clearly to the server. So this option is good for uploading the theme, and let it be completed, and we have to wait for a while. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Videotube folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folder and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space. Now go back to WordPress theme section again, and now we have Videotube as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Videotube version 3.4.3.6 and Videotube, a responsive video WordPress theme. Activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins to run this theme, and this theme uses Redux framework. This is of course a very wonderful framework, and it works very fine on the website, and it is broadly being used in the WordPress development. And these are the list of plugins which are required for running this theme. The ACF, advanced custom fields, is here, and ACF gallery feed. Videotube core is here, WP easy review, and the framework file, social count plus, video thumbnails, and bakery page builder. I'm going to install all the plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid errors. And if you are in plan to take hosting from WP themes, I'll give the link of my website where you can get this theme and hosting as well. Just subscribe this channel, you'll get everything at my website, link given in the description of this video. And now all the plugins and activation has been completed. So now we can go to the dashboard, and since we have installed the theme and plugins, we can take a look of our website, how it looks. That is clear look of Videotube WordPress theme. This is theme only with plugins, without any demo content. This is the look, this is the core look. And now at this stage we need to have some demo content to make a website like this. This is going to be our target website, so we will go for importing the demo content at this stage. Let us find where the option is available for demo content. Now whether it is available or not, in fact it may be a manual process, I'm not sure. So I never hide anything during my installation, everything is on your screen. What I am doing, just sharing the same with you. And I did not found the demo content installer type thing. And let us check the theme options. I will show you the theme option in detail as well in the later part of this video. And it is not here also. And I assume we need to import the demo content using the WordPress default importer, and we have the demo content in the theme pack. So this is XML, and Videotube XML is here, Videotube pages XML is here, and widgets importer and exporter can be used for this. Now we will go for the importing the demo using the WordPress importer. For that we have to go in the tools, import, and we need to install the WordPress importer. And run the importer now. choose the XML file, videotube.xml, open it, upload file and import. And here we need to assign the user. Click on download and import file attachments and hit on submit. So this activity may take some time, and you may also interact or encounter with the 500 error. Just in case you face that error, just repeat the process and don't refresh or leave this page until you get any message. It may create duplicate data, so you have to wait until you get any message on the screen. Once the first file gets imported, we need to run the importer again and choose another XML file, that is Videotube pages. Open it, upload file and import, and select user, download and import attachments and hit on submit, and you'll get this message, all done, have fun. Let us check the pages, what pages we got. And yes, we have multiple pages, and now we can check the home page, and somehow it is not showing up. Let us check the another home page. So posts are not here. I assume we have to import the widgets as well. In this demo part, the post has not been provided. This is why it is not showing anything on the home page, but yes, it has been done. And I must tell you, once you will upload your post, you can use any of the available home page for your website, and it will definitely work. And you just start posting the video contents, and it will directly reflect on this page, as the only one post is available. So the only one is visible here, and in the demo no post has been provided. This is why it is not showing up. However, there are many media files available in the demo content, but I don't know why the developer had done this, and I can only show you what is available, and these all are available, but due to non-availability of the post, it is not showing anything. So it will definitely work after you post video posts, so it will work, and I assume it is helpful for you, and this theme will be fruitful for you for your project. And if you have any question, you can definitely get in touch with me for further support. I'm going to give the link of my website in the description of this video, where you can get in touch with me. And nothing is remaining, I think, in this video. I'll show you the theme options meanwhile. And these are the theme options available in this theme. So you can set the logos and CSS styling is here, socials, submit form, miscellaneous, footer and update, all things are here. So you can use these features to handle your website, and nothing is additional out of this, so it is fine. You just start posting with this theme, and it will surely work. And stay tuned for next themes and plugins. I'm going to bring wonderful themes and plugins for you. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.